Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have kind of a big, unexpected, not really unexpected, kind of unexpected Chanel haul. Okay, let's get into it. Today was the VIC preview for Chanel 25P. That is the Printemps pre-spring collection. Now this is a commercial collection. That means there's no runway, no pre-reserves. The boutique just orders what they think that they'll sell. And then it is kind of like first come, first served in the boutiques, except for they also do a sneaky like top client preview. So it's like pre-shopping, but no pre-reserves. But so it's kind of like Chanel Hunger Games-ish. I don't know. Whereas with the runway collection, you pre-order, you know what you're getting. It's like assigned. There's names on things. There's no names on things. It's like whoever shows up, who wants it, who it fits, gets it. Now that said, the boutique does kind of take into account their clients when they're ordering, and so they might maybe have you in mind for something. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I was really happy when I got there and there was some ready-to-wear items in my size that I could order. So these first two items I know I'm gonna get so much use out of. They are so cute. These little t-shirts. I have a bunch of little Chanel t-shirts like this. I wear them all the time. They wash well, they wear well, they just kind of like, they're cute, right? There's the little CC cutout hearts, there's the little French sleeve, there's like a kind of distressed collar. This one's in pink. I took it in a size 44, which is kind of normal size for these t-shirts for me. I would say in jackets, maybe most typical size is 46. And then on bottoms, typically 48-50. And then there's this blue version, which is like more heathered. The pink one's like plain Pepto-Bismol, and the blue one's like a little bit heathered, stormy weather, but really cute still. And then the back, there's these little CC charms. This one is dipped in pink, and then this one's dipped in blue. Just like a cute little underpinning, something to wear under a Chanel jacket, something to throw on with jeans. Speaking of jeans, as this combs through my hair. Okay, very cute. Thank you, ladies, for that one. These were on my wish list, and it's like, oh, how did you know me? Okay, but first of all, these long dust bags, bane of my existence. Okay, I'm just gonna, they're so lightweight, so they kind of like don't go where you need them to go. Look. It's the pearl jeans. Oh, that's the back. Okay, let's undress her. Let's get things back in order. So I took these jeans in a size 50, as I normally do in jeans. Look at the pearls, the pockets. So these jeans, they have 3 different styles in 3 different colors. There is this jean, which is the like straight leg, tapered leg. I think it's straight leg. The straight leg jean. Then there is the wide leg, and then there is kind of like a cropped version with a patch pocket. So those are the 3 styles. This is the straight leg, and there are 3 colors. There's the darker wash, there's the medium wash. This is the medium wash, and then there's the light wash, which is very light, it's almost like a little yellowy, but these are so cute, and they have pearls all over them, which I feel like is so Chanel, and they looked really cute with the top. And I've just been loving my Chanel jeans, and yeah, that's them. Good price point on P2. I believe these were 22, 24. But so cute, just classic, and a color I don't have. Okay. So those were good finds. I think as far as ready to wear, I'm gonna try and do one more jacket from this collection, but I'm going back and forth on which one. I wanted the gray one, but then when I was at the boutique, I was thinking about the blue one. And so I think I just need to sleep on it and then get back to my FA. I have time. You can't really order anything for 2 more weeks. So we're gonna just roll with it. Okay, next up, there's one item in here that is not from P. This was like a pre-order pickup item. But we'll do it now because no time like the present. This this is from Cruise, and just a sweet little order from the Cruise collection. It's the little hat brooch. So cute. I'm probably just gonna hoard this one. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna use it, but like the details are so sweet, and it matches my vintage brooch collection, which has some hats in it because it's like based on My Fair Lady. So I felt like it was a tie-in to like all the things I love, my two collections, whatnot. It was a must-do. This next item, also a must-do. Also, I know I was saying I still wanna cut the brakes. Not cut the brakes. I still wanna keep costume jewelry on ice, but just sometimes there's just a couple extraordinary pieces you can't say no to. And this was one. This is, I mean, it's so me coated, but also Park and Beach coated. Can you see that? It is stunning. So it's rainbow stars all around the CCs. My friend has this brand called Park and Beach, and she needs this as well because look, this is her pouch, her Stony Clover collab pouch. Look at those two together. Is that not a mandatory assignment for her? Oh my gosh, please. Maddie, throwing the costume jewelry around, I swear to God. I feel like that's mandatory for her. Okay, check the stones. Make sure nothing happened. So cute, so glittery. I feel like the light is like almost washing it out. Like I don't get the light out of here. Ugh, so pretty. So pretty. So we needed that. There's one more, I think, necklace that I'm gonna get, and then that's it. That's it. I don't need any earrings. I'm always wearing VCA earrings now. Don't need any more, but that was a good one. Okay, this next item, any guesses? It might not be actually what you think. It might actually be different than what you think. But this is something that was definitely on the wish list. This is filling a gap, a need in my collection for travel. Probably not what you think. It is the 31 phone case in suede, leather, and calfskin with aged gold hardware. This I just think is going to be the perfect travel on the go type bag. So great for work. So, you know, those moments when you're at work where you're like running around, but you need your phone with you, but you're not wearing an outfit that can fit the phone in the pocket. So this is like crossbody, throw your phone in, throw your room card in, you know, there's like little card slots here. So you don't need a card holder, but you could do a card holder, lip gloss, phone, done. Squishy, so a pack flat, easy. And then if you're going to like a dinner, like a more sit down formal dinner, clutch. So cute, so easy. And I just feel like the suede is really sophisticated, and I don't have any suede bags. And I feel like this is just something different. And because it's black suede, I think I'll be able to take care of her. I think I'll be able to take care of it. You know, you just take a little brush. They have like different suede treatment things. I think she's gonna live a great long life with me. Very classic. And I feel like it's a little bit more of a bag than wallet on chain. You know, it's a little bit more handbaggy, a little bit more, I don't know, sophisticated. I like this top handle vibe, but I also like that you have the hands-free option, the optionality, right? And I think the suede makes it a little bit different and also more sophisticated, and you could turn it around and now it's like not even name brand. It could be it could be Zara. I don't know. It could be from anywhere. She could be anybody. You don't know her. Don't ask about her, okay? So yeah, that is the little pickups. There were so many really, really cute caviar bags, caviar pink bags. I still have one more on my radar. Okay, so it's kind of between two at the moment. They had a bag that is called Cocoa Vibe, and I was vibing the Cocoa Vibe. I'm gonna be honest, I was really vibing the Cocoa Vibe, but I want to check out, before I commit to the Cocoa Vibe, I wanna see this Loro Piana dupe. Chanel Laura Piana dupe bag. I just think that that is going to really fit my lifestyle, also be good for travel, phone, keys, wallet, you know, that sort of thing. But TBD, because the Cocoa Vibe might have a little bit more longevity. I'm just trying to really reflect on, you know, I did get rid of the Sweetheart bag, and I think I got rid of the Sweetheart bag because it was like too trendy of a seasonal bag. I don't know. There was just nothing special about it. So that is my worry about the Cocoa Vibe, is that it'll be Sweetheart bag situation all over again. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got anything from this collection. And hopefully you enjoyed this cheeky little haul, and hopefully there won't be any more hauls for a little bit because, you know, taxes, etc. Okay, anyways, I will talk to you guys soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like haul videos. You know, I'm a Chanel girl living in my Chanel world. Come join me, and otherwise I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.